For those of you having trouble understanding what I'm saying, I am going to tell you very plainly. The Lord our God is a Trinity of 3 separate entities in one unity. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. They exist in 3 different forms. They are not all 3 flesh beings. The Son, the Word, is the one that came to be the Son of Man. That's why sometimes he was called the Son of God, and sometimes he was called the Son of Man. And Jesus himself said, God the Father is a spirit and must be worshipped spiritually. And then we all know that the Holy Spirit is not a human flesh body, but he is a spirit that permeates throughout the world. So, since we were created in God's image, in our image, Jesus and God the Father and the Holy Spirit spoke to each other, saying, let us create man in our image. And we know we are body, soul, and spirit. So I think of God the Father as the soul. And the soul is recognized as our mind, our emotions, our memory, our thoughts, our personality, what have you. Okay, our thinking. And the spirit is more the will from the heart. And it could be the Spirit of God, the will to do good, or the spirit of Satan, the will to do bad. But that may be the closest that we get to understanding or having a grasp on the true magnificence of what he truly is.